So in this recipe, we're not going to make green tea, but we're going to make green tea cupcakes. So the ingredients are 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour or cake flour kung meron kang cake flour. 2 tablespoons of matcha powder, 11 grams or 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, or kung wala ka, okay lang. You can use also 1 teaspoon baking powder. 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. It depends on you if you want to use 1 whole cup. Also, you can use any type of salt, buttermilk. So you can use 1 cup of buttermilk or also a half cup of vegetable oil. For the list of our ingredients, you can watch the video towards the end. Madaling lutuin. Subscribe now to my new channel.